Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having valuable features in high demand. Features also include heated seats, keyless ignition, rear view camera, adaptive cruise control, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, make a great choice today with the 2019 Fusion. You can have both impressive power and great economy in a Fusion. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, headlights auto off, mirror memory, navigation system. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.